Hi guys, picked this up in Poundland, light up lantern. Needs a couple of batteries, and it's got one LED in there, two AAA batteries. Okay, what am I going to do with it? Well, I bought it because the other day I bought that one and that one. In fact, it was two of each because they were twin packs. I've got a pair in the garage that have got little LED string lights in them that light up, and these ones have got these solar light bulbs in them, and to be quite honest, they're not very bright, so you don't really notice whether they're working or not, because those lights aren't particularly bright. So when I spotted this one in Poundland, I thought we'll draw some eyes on it and make our own light up version.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
That'll really work, because that'll work out. That would work out really well for me.
It is a nice sunny day today, so we're sitting in the conservatory with the doors open. So you might hear some traffic noise outside. Got a couple of black marker pens. So a couple of AA batteries in there. It opens up, and that obviously, yeah, I can see where that goes. It goes down in there, and then those little feet go under there to hold it open, and then that does that, so the actual light is shining up from the bottom. So what we want to do is draw some eyes on it and a mouth, and then see if we can colour it in. I mean, how difficult can it be? The hardest bit will be trying to colour it in well. Don't know if we want to try and be clever and have... No, we'll just go for plain eyes. I'll colour that in a minute. And then another eye about here somewhere. And the big mouth. I'm more or less copying the shape of the one I bought in Poundland already. Yeah, okay, I'll colour that in and we'll have a look in a minute. While I'm sitting here doing this, I'm thinking I could just have cut out some black eyes and mouth from some black tissue paper and just glued it over. The only thing I'm worried about doing this is if I get it too wet with the ink and it falls apart while I'm drawing on it, which is quite possible. Tissue gets soft when you draw on it. So there's our ghost face. Alright, so that's mine, and that's the shop bought original. I could tidy up the edges a bit, but I think that'll be alright. When there's a light in it, you won't see the slight imperfections. Right, we'll take him out to the garage where I've got the other ones with the LED lights in them, light strings in them. So that's the new one. That's the existing ones. So these have got, let's say, LED light strings in them, which I can't do with one hand. So that works. That's the originals, and that's the one that we've just done. That's the other one I did. So check the video description and you'll find my link to my Halloween playlist. That's quite a white light, that one, isn't it? Whereas I think those were warm white. In fact, that one's warm white, and I think that one was bright white, but it's in the orange, so it doesn't look quite so bright. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.